Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to stop a payment on Chase Mobile. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Chase Mobile application. So if you're on your PC, what you can do is go to chase.com. This is the main URL right here that you want to open up. Once you have done so, you're going to be greeted by this homepage right here from where we can get started. If you're on a mobile phone, just go and download the application and open it up. So once you're greeted by the homepage, we can get started logging in. The first thing we need to do is to log in. So if you do not already have a Chase account, what you can do is enroll into one, sign up for one, and once you got in your account, log in normally. So after logging in, now we can get started. After you logged in, your Chase Mobile is going to look like this. This is the homepage from where we can get started. As you can see here, we have all the sections we can access, such as home, paying, planning, and so on. And now we can get started with stopping any payment. So let's say we have made a payment that we want to stop, we do not want to continue with that payment, and we want to cancel it. This is what we can do. So as you can see here, we have the steps on chase.com showing us what we need to do to place a stop payment on a check. Basically, on the accounts tab, we are going to click the three dots to open the more options menu. So that account menu is going to appear once you log in. You're going to be able to take a look at your dashboard as well, and you can click account services and click stop payment. So once you click on stop payment, you're going to click to request to stop payment, enter the information about the check, and click stop payment. This is going to go ahead and place a stop payment on the check, and the payment is going to be stopped. So that's how you can cancel any payment that you do not want to go through if it's still not too late. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.